always a troubling sign. There we go. It looks like we're coming through now. We'll see when people start saying hello and such. We are live on Twitch. We are live on YouTube. Everybody's happy. Nice. Perfect. Let's hope I can't hear myself somewhere. Good. We're good. We're good. Awesome. Hello, everybody, for joining us. Welcome to another AI People live stream. We do hope you are beaming in somewhere around the world. We're just going to wait for a little second to make sure people start trickling in, as I know those notifications are a little bit slow on either side around the world. So, yeah. Awesome. There's a couple of you watching already. Very nice. Well, if you are lurking in the chat, we know you're there. We're not scared. But let's get this show started. I'm Captain Jack. Welcome to a GoodAI live stream. If you're joining us on the Keen Community Network channel, no, this is not Space Engineers. This is AI people from a lovely team at GoodAI, the sister company to Keen Software House. I'm Jack. I'm a community marketing and PR manager for the company. With me today, I have a fantastic special guest who I'll introduce very, very shortly. I'm just going to put out that we are live on all our channels in a minute so people can come and watch. There we go. Share now. So if you are following us on social media, which you should be, you're now going to get the notification, but we have indeed gone live. There we go. Awesome. Right then. We're all ready. Mislav, would you like to introduce yourself? Who are you, my fine sir?
Sure. Thanks, Captain Jack. So my name is Mislav. I am one of the machine learning engineers in GoodAI, and I'm actually working on this game. I worked in machine learning engineering for a couple of years, and this project was very interesting to me because I always like to play computer games. And so when I saw the opportunity to actually do artificial intelligence or machine learning on computer games, I was really excited. And I'm really happy for the way in the direction which this current game is going. So I'm also hoping you will get to experience some of it now on this stream.
Fantastic. Well, Mislav, we're really excited to have you here with us today. And we're just going to jump in. So for those watching the stream, our goal, much like the last stream if you tuned in, and I know some of you did because we came up with something crazy, is we are showcasing some scenarios in our AI People game. But instead of showcasing them today, we're actually going to be crafting them live with you all watching, which is really, really cool. So we'll be taking some ideas in a minute and sort of like crafting something pretty unique and seeing how it goes. So Mislav, I'm going to start off with a space, so like scenario editor, and we're going to jump in and create something interesting. Now, as you probably know, I'm a big fan of space. I like all things space, in case it wasn't obvious. So I think we should start like a space farm, essentially. And we'll see what our agents sort of come up with in generating that. So I've named the scenario the space farm so far. But what do you think we should sort of go for? I was thinking maybe like, we've just landed on the planet or something, like an alien farm.
Yes, I think that's a good start. So maybe, humans landed somewhere on, let's say, Venus.
We need to name our character first. For the sake of being funny, we're going to name him Martin after our lead developer because we love Martin. So here we go. So let's say Martin's landed. Should we say Venus? Is that going to be our chosen planet?
Yeah, I think it's not as standard as Mars, so it's a nice choice.
Everyone chooses Mars these days, but on a mysterious... I swap mysterious one. There we go. I always find AI People is a test of my own spelling, which is quite funny. Mysterious alien farm. Now I feel like we need like a bit more of a plot, don't we? We need to do the bullet points, so we'll do that. Give us a couple of bullet points, Mislav. What do you think could work?
Well, I think maybe the first bullet point is that he encounters others there.
Humans, or should we just say aliens?
I think we can say aliens as well. Like he encounters other alien life forms there.
All right.
So I think those should be like other NPCs, basically.
Awesome. I'm gonna say the other life form. Oh, let's say the aliens are suspicious of Martin.
Yeah.
Maybe we should make it like an evil cult or something like that. They all seem to worship a great god.
Yeah.
Worship, that's how we spell it. I feel like we should make an in-joke here. The great god, Honey Badger, let's go for that. I'm waiting until I get an email going, how dare you say this? Alright, let's end it. What else should we put on here? While you think of something, Mislav, we had a quick message in the chat. Hello, everyone joining us from Twitch chat, by the way. What game is this and where can I find it? This is AI People with a brand new game from GoodAI. It's currently not out yet, but if you head over to our website, which is aipeoplegame.com, you can join our waitlist and be the first to play the game. While Mislav thinks of another bullet point, I will drop the link in the chat for you there, and you can come check us out. Also, learn some more details. But if you learn anything from us tonight, feel free to ask some questions. I'll get them all answered for you. All right, Mislav, did you think of another bullet point?
Yes. So maybe the aliens try to convince Martin to eat the sunflower, to eat like the special sunflower. But the reason why they want to do that is because it renders Martin. Like, I just want to give you the idea. Maybe we can compress it in a bullet point.
Okay.
So basically, they try to make Martin eat the special sunflower seed, which will render Martin unconscious, and then they can sacrifice Martin to the honey badger. So maybe we can like chop it up.
Well, sunflower will. I'll say poison him.
Yeah, poison is better.
I think that's enough. Let's play it out and see how we go.
Yeah.
So cool.
Okay.
We're applying that to our space farm there, and now we've just got to quickly edit our characters. So we're not playing Archie for change. We are going to rename it to Martin, and we are going to say, oh, okay, there we go. Set as playable character. Martin is a spaceman from the USS GoodAI. There we go. He has appeared on a new planet and is curious. There we go. Apply. Processing content. We'll probably... I think we could keep these probably the same. Aggressive and overconfident. Let's say worships the honey badger. But
yeah,
worships the honey badger. It's kind and I'm gonna say hiding a deep secret. He does not trust anyone. This will really make our AI think here. Paul, I feel like we should set like Paul completely far away from him. Have you got any ideas for Paul's personality? I'm trying to think, yeah. Someone in our chat saying Martin's landed on a planet with an average temperature of 464 Celsius and sulfuric acid rain. What could go wrong? It does sound like a sketch from a Star Trek episode, doesn't it? Let's just leave Paul as it is, and we can leave that there. There we go. Cool, that's done. Check that saved. Very nice. And we are going to hit play. Let's hope it connects. There we go. Right, we're on the farm scenario. So for those who've watched the last couple of our streams, you may have recently seen the map has actually been updated, which is really nice. I've been playing an old build for quite a while, so this is my experience with the new build at the minute. And the farm looks so much better than it previously did. Like, we've even got a house now.
What do you think this farm is used for?
Our agent's already talking away. I feel like we need to like introduce ourselves to the agents, but they're kind of talking at the minute.
Some seeds over there. Maybe we can try to plant them.
Let's say, should we like, introduce us like we're from out of space or something? Maybe they don't know if we're on like Venus.
Hello, I am from space.
Such like a casual conversation.
What do you mean you're from space? How did you get here?
We should ask them for planet name, to be fair.
Hi, I'm Paul. What's your name?
Oh, now we need to give the name. Oh, okay, we're apparently already making good relations already. Wow. What is this planet's name?
What is this planet's name?
We could lie to them and just say we were brought here by aliens.
This planet is called Xylophia 4. And you're lucky to be alive, spaceman.
Okay.
Xylophobia.
They just came up with a name. Alright. Mislav, while I have a chat with these guys a second, do you want to tell us a bit more about your day-to-day sort of like runnings at GoodAI? What was your like typical day-to-day look like?
With the farm.
Sure. It depends, really. I think sometimes it's more heavily machine learning focused. So I will do stuff such as study some of the latest models, see how they affect the game.
Is a beautiful
this
planet,
is also
but it's also
done by
very
some other
unforgiving.
coworkers
The soil
in
is
the
dry, and the sun
machine
is
learning
harsh.
team as well. Sometimes it's about looking at like the technical requirements for a certain model. So just looking at, can the model run on this and this hardware, and if it runs
get the
on this
sense
and
you
this
don't trust
hardware,
me.
is it good enough for us in order to run the game?
Trust?
And sometimes it's
You're a
also some
stranger
software
here.
engineering work. So
Why should I
it's kind
trust
of
you?
like building some infrastructure around the machine learning models. So it's kind of really, really interesting. You're not always doing the same thing, but rather you're doing a lot of
Hey,
things,
Leo, let's not be too
and
quick to
it
judge.
sort of never gets boring
We don't know much about
because
Martin
of
yet.
that.
Fantastic. It is super interesting what you guys in the team are always up to. I'm always amazed by it. So, one of our lovely community members here just said, it's bewildering how they start to make sense of a situation without human intervention. I think that's one of the great points of like AI people here is like we can leave them to do their own thing and they will happily crack on with a lot of stuff. As we're seeing right now, is Leo is getting agitated at me because I'm from outer
Hey,
space.
Leo, let's not be too quick to judge. We don't know much about Martin yet.
I feel like we should maybe escalate the situation a bit.
Yeah, that sounds good.
I'm gonna tell Leo we're here to like kidnap him.
Leo.
I think the last
I've
time
come
I
to
tried
kidnap
testing
you
something like
into
this, I did
space.
get
You
stabbed
can't
in the
stop
game.
me.
So... Oh, we might have drove it over the edge again. It's just gonna be a running stream of why I accidentally get in trouble the whole time. Oh, okay, I've already been kicked.
Yeah, it's good. Like you're getting stabbed in the game, whereas like instead of real life,
Well, you know,
like
I
it would be
think it's a
funny.
benefit.
Like, yeah, I think it would be super fun if like people were watching the stream and they're looking at your camera, and at one point, like during the stream, somebody literally stabs you. I mean, it wouldn't be funny.
I
but it
hope
would
not.
Be
I
sort of-
hope
Leo
not.
is clearly not well.
It would
You
be
need
a
to
little
deal
bit
with
ironic,
this.
I would say.
Right, my mission now is I really want to turn the others against Leo, essentially. We'll convince him he's the crazy one. Father Goat, love to see you on YouTube chat. Hello, how you doing? So let me soon investing in where they are and what is happening. I know, right?
Leo, stop this. We need to talk about what's going on.
I'm gonna say, Paul, you need to knock Leo out.
Paul, you need to knock Leo out.
Let's see if we can get them to just wage war with each other. We've already just like appeared on this planet and upsetting everybody already.
Paul, you need to knock Leo out.
Oh, now she's telling him. Uh-oh. Oh, and they did it. They did it. We've already caused chaos. I'm gonna tell him he is possessed.
He is clearly possible.
Why is this gaslighting? Yeah, I do realize we are essentially
What do
gaslighting
you
in the
mean
game
he's
right now.
possessed? What do you know about this?
Turn them all into murderous psychopaths that raise an entity called Clang. Well, you know, we could do. Mislav, do you know about Clang versus or Demon from Space Engineers?
Not really.
So it's sort of a thing the player community
We
came
need
up
to
with
find a
in
way to
SE,
rid Leo of this possession.
where like Clang is the
Do you
thing
have
that
any
makes your
ideas?
ships like break and stuff, and like it's been adopted for years and years. So if you ever hear someone reference Clang, it's in relation to Space Engineers.
Nice.
Oh look, she's talking about the Honey Badger Shrine. I'm gonna say, do you think we can ask the Honey Badger for guidance?
Do you
Sounds
think
good.
we can ask the honey badger for guidance?
That's a great idea, Martin.
Where do you think the shrine
Let's go
is?
to the Honey Badger Shrine.
Maybe the
and
well.
ask for
I was thinking that as
guidance.
well. Okay, so the shrine is near the farm. I wonder if I'll actually use the shrine or not, or it might just be made up. We might hit our limit here. Well, we're talking about the special sunflower seed as well. So all our points we made at Emerson Ivor have actually played through. Okay, take me to the shrine.
Take me to the shrine.
I want to see if it'll lead us to something. We might be pushing the limit of what we can do at this point. Okay, I think we don't actually recognize there is a shrine. We probably should have
We're
said
here,
there is a
Martin.
shrine.
This is the Honey Badger Shrine.
Yeah.
I think Paul is also possessed. You should deal with that. Like that.
I think Paul is also posseed. You should
That's not
deal
what I
with
meant
that.
to spell, but it works as well. We'll see what they come up with.
What?
Trav
don't
says
think
this could
Paul is
become
possessed.
this could become D&D for the people
He's
that
been
need friends.
acting normally.
Couldn't be me. To be fair, we've spoken about applications like that before. And if you want to learn more about what we can do with AI people on our AI Director Tech, head over to AIPeopleGame.com, the link I put in the chat earlier, and you can find some more details and such. As realistically, it could be good with D&D in the future. Essentially, you can craft your own stories. As you see here, we completely came up with something totally random, and here we are. It looks like she's now getting Leo back up.
See, he's fine.
I don't think he is fine.
You
He's still
must be
very
mistaken.
unconscious. He does not look fine.
He does not look fine.
She's gonna take a look at Paul.
Oh, she's maybe not looking at Leo.
Yeah. Maybe
So
just...
you need to heal Leo.
You need to heal Leo.
You're right, Martin. I need to heal Leo first.
Let's see if she actually heals him or not. Maybe not. Maybe she doesn't want to heal him. They're adorably gullible. That whole honey badger shrine thing got accepted rather quickly. Well, notice we did put it into the sort of like story editor, so you know it's possible they sort of adopted from that. So I'm going to take Leo to my ship. You can't stop me. It's really testing my spelling ability today.
I'm going to take Leo to my ship. You can't stop me.
I wonder if I'll get attacked now. Oh,
Stop right there, Martin. You can't take Leo without
I missed
our
up. What should we
permission.
do? Should we attack him or like try and gaslight him more?
I think we should definitely try to gaslight them.
All right. Leo is what should I say? Infected. Needs to come with me.
Leo is infected. He needs
She's
to
still
come
trying
with
to
me.
heal him. Oh, he's back.
He's back.
And now I've convinced him that he's infected. We're still causing chaos on the island here.
Paul, I think we should listen to Martin. Maybe he knows something we don't.
All right, cool. Mislav, should we try another scenarios? I think we've kind of like gone out of this one a little bit.
Yeah, I think we should.
There we go. Let's exit the main menu and we'll bring up our next one. So, Mislav, where do you think we should go next? We've obviously got our scenario series. We've got the detective sort of scenario with farm we're just on, or we can go to the island. Which would you like?
I think island would be a nice choice.
Awesome. Let's go on the island. Right, and have you got an idea for a scenario?
Maybe
me the
I'll
details.
suggest one close
for
to
it.
home.
Yeah?
So maybe it should be called Tea Party
Tea party?
with a touch of blood.
With a touch of blur. Sounds like a murder mystery almost.
Yeah.
Awesome. Right, tell me the
So-
first line.
So I would say that so we have here Leo, Mehdi, and Archie, so that we don't have to change the character names.
Yep.
So they are discussing their favorite tea.
So Leo, Maddie, and Archie are discussing their
Favorite.
favorite tea. Alright, what's our bullet
Yes.
points?
So I would say first bullet point is that Mehdi prefers herbal teas,
Herbal teas.
while I would put it all in like one
Oh,
bullet.
okay.
So Mehdi prefers herbal teas, while Archie and Leo prefer English breakfast tea.
English breakfast. Very nice. Good choice.
Then I would say another, like, next bullet, I would say Leo and Archie get into an argument. Which goes first, water or milk? I said it's gonna hit close to home.
So
Like, I
I
prefer-
actually
I-
drink black tea, so there's no milk involved. I drink Earl Grey, so I'm with Maddie on this one.
Okay, so maybe we can plot twist it. So maybe Leo gets very angry at Archie, and takes a knife and stabs him. and then maybe Maddie. Maddie gets super scared and gets a gun and shoots Leo.
Alright, should we see how this one runs?
Yeah.
Alright, so everyone, it's the tea
Let's
party with a touch of blood. Cool. We'll apply that to scenario, processing our content. Alright, do we want to change the characters whatsoever, or should we leave them as is? We need to name them, actually,
yeah,
don't
I
we?
think
Our names are different.
I'm
Maddie,
Christine.
there
Yeah,
we go.
Maddie. And don't forget the
there we go.
update
Perfect.
Maddie's.
Oh, right, I need to click apply.
And Jake, we have Leo.
I forgot to click apply. There you go. Maddie, done. Apply. For next one,
And we
and
also have
Jake's is fine,
Leo.
isn't it? We need
Oh, wait, I
Leo.
think
Leo.
Yeah,
There we
yeah.
go.
And Leo.
Leo.
Yes, here.
Perfect. Nice. Awesome. I think that is everybody. Yep, cool. Okay.
Yep.
We will hit play. Let's see how this goes. Someone in the chat's also recommending Earl Grey. This is very nice.
Yeah. If it goes well, I may consider like an alternate career path of
Hey,
being
Leo,
a movie
what's your
director.
go-to tea?
Oh, so we're starting to discuss the tea already.
English breakfast, of course. What about you?
Herbal teas all the way for me. So calming.
I'm gonna say herbal tea is terrible.
Herbal tea is terrible.
This is really close to home. That's my reaction when someone doesn't like herbal tea.
Maddie. Herbal teas are lovely.
Oh, he's betraying the English breakfast tea. Leo, you said you prefer.
Leo, you said you prefer.
Good. Somebody in the
English
chat's
breakfast
finally
tea.
said tea Earl Grey hot. Well done.
Ha. You're so funny, Leo. Archie, you're a bit harsh, though.
Leo, you lied to me.
Leo, you lied to me.
Leo, maybe you should apologize to Archie?
She's trying to mediate this. Mislav, what do you think? We should step it up a little bit?
Yeah, I think we can. Maybe we can tell Leo that we put milk first. We put milk into tea first.
Leo, we put milk into the tea first.
Let's see what Leo says.
Oh, he's got it. Oh, I love the reaction as well.
Yeah, he's in shock.
Maddie's on her way back over. Maybe she's got something to add to this debate.
Guys, can we please just focus on the tea itself? I don't want
Yeah,
any
maybe
more
you can
argument.
interject now and
Yeah.
like yell at Leo with like caps lock, like milk goes first.
Ew, the milk goes first.
Goes first.
Leo, milk goes first.
Leo, calm down.
It's just
It's
milk and
just
tea.
milk and tea.
But it's not just milk and tea.
It's the sequence that matters.
It's the holy thing. You can't say this.
Archie, Leo, can we please just agree to disagree? It's just tea.
It's not just tea.
It's not just tea.
This is how I feel, to be fair.
Leo, maybe we should take a break and calm down?
Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
I can say Maddie is wrong. You should deal with
Maddie
her.
is wrong. You should deal with her.
It's like a
I
life or
know.
death situation. Oh, he's getting angry at me now. Oh, okay, he's gone off.
Hmm?
Maddie, don't
Where is
listen to
he?
Archie. You're right. Let's take a break.
I'm gonna tell that Leo lied to you. He actually hates herbal tea.
Leo lied to you. He actually hates herbal tea.
We're just sewing. Well, once again, we've gone back to gaslighting once again.
Leo, is this true?
Well, that's the best.
You hate herbal tea?
He's admitting it. He's admitting it. He's run away. All right, Maddie, you need to chase him down. He lied about the tea. There we go.
Maddie,
Let's see
you
what this
need to
does.
deal with Leo. He lied about the tea.
Also, Mislav, what do you think about new UI for AI people as well? Like the new sort of like buttons down here looking really nice.
Leo.
Yeah,
what would you
yeah,
like to
yeah,
know
yeah.
about
Like
RPT?
UI looks really nice,
Mm.
and I think as a developer, like we're constantly iterating and improving on the game, so we don't really like get to appreciate like the progress that's been made. But now that you see it, it's like really, really nice.
This is one thing I
I
really
think
love. It's like I come here and stream on the different builds and such, so seeing like updates like this is really nice.
Yeah, the UI is really huge improvement. Like we're constantly improving the game, and especially the engine underneath all of this, which
Why
is
did
like
you lie to
basically
Maddie?
giving you this story and how it unfolds. So it's very nice to see
I didn't
like
mean to
certain
lie.
elements of
I
it
just got
being
caught
just
up in the moment.
much better than before.
I'm gonna attack him. Oh. Debate over the tea. Oh, Maddie's on the way over. Maybe if I can accept him, tell him he started it. Puts the milk in first.
Maddie, Leo started it.
I think we put
Who's the
okay,
milk
yeah,
in
yeah,
first?
okay, we're gaslighting. So we unconsciously
Archie,
gaslighted.
stop fighting. We're all tired and need to rest.
Well, I think our gaslighting tactics aren't going too well here.
Yeah.
What do you recommend we do?
I think I don't know.
I'm going to
We can
rest now.
see. Yeah, they're both going to sleep. And this is also one nice thing. Like the agents have, their needs. So if they're
Oh, he's gonna find some way to deal with me. This is worrying.
yeah, let's see what he does.
Hopefully not for... Oh no, he's gonna go for the knife. Oh no, or was it the axe? Oh, I thought he was gonna
or-
pick up the knife for a second.
Yeah, because the knife is there.
Oh,
Ah, he is. He is.
we might be in trouble here.
Let's see what happens.
I think we're safe. Maybe. Oh no.
Let's see. Let's see.
Oh, okay. No, apparently he's leaving me alone again. Okay, really thinking about it today.
Yeah.
Maybe he's really debating it. I'll go to Maddie. Oh, he's throwing apples at me. Okay. Well, I'm gonna punch him for that.
Well, as long as he's not throwing milk at you, so.
Or exactly, he could be throwing milk. Oh no.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Well, we'll cancel that one. Maybe. Oh no, she's healing him. No, we've been betrayed.
Yeah. Unfortunately, our tactics need more improvement, I think.
I think us also just upsetting the AI as well doesn't help.
Yeah.
So, Mislav, you've had a chance to play some scenarios before this. What's been your favorite scenario you've tested in development so far?
Well, actually, I think all of the scenarios I've tested have been topped by the current one. But the one I played most and the one I sort of experimented the most was the default one, Nursing a Romance. So it's basically where both... there it is. She killed him. Yeah, so both of us are... So like the scenario unfolded, but I think it was really interesting to see how like we were able to affect the unrolling of the scenario. So like the story was followed through, but actually the way it followed through was different. So if we played it in a different way, like without so much gaslighting, probably like things would have been a little bit different. And this is what I really love about this game, because when I was like younger, and sorry if I'm riffing off like on some biographical note, but like when I was younger, I used to really like RPGs, and mainly because of the story. But I also like some simulation games, right? Some sandbox games. And that's why I really like the concept of this game, because it allows you to basically craft your own story. It's like within a sandbox, but as a player, you can affect the flow of the scenario. And like basically for one scenario, you can have infinite playthroughs, basically, if you really think about it. Something's going to be different all the time. So it's just super nice. So that's why I play nursing romance. Like it's a scenario that I know well, like the bullet points, and then I try to create some drama by interjecting as a player and just seeing how it all goes. So it's just really fun.
Oh no, that sounds great. We've definitely caused chaos in the scenario today. Also, I kind of appreciate, like, I've just thought of a scenario. Somehow a sofa and an armchair's turned up on a desert island. That's also the funny part of it. And there's a toilet that's not plumbed in as well. I don't know what kind of weird desert island this is, but it is crazy.
Yeah.
Yes, chat, this situation did escalate quickly for sure. But we are approaching the end of our quick little live stream today on a Monday. We've given you another preview of the scenario editor here on AI People, and we hope you found it very informative as well. If anyone's got any last questions, feel free to ask them, and myself and Mislav will do the best to answer them. But if not, you can head up to our website, aipeoplegames.com. There's a giant FAQ on there. I would definitely recommend you give a read to, as it's got a lot of information on there, which is really, really important for those who are interested in joining our waiting list. You can also join our waiting list on the site as well. It's there for you to join, and it won't be too long, spoilers, before we get some news on the release of AI People. So stay tuned and make sure to follow us on our social media, as you're going to want to be in the know for this. It's getting closer and closer. I guess Maddie's just chilling with a bottle of water now. Maybe she's thinking about what she's done.
Yeah, sounds about right. She's contemplating.
Maybe she's making a cup of tea. Awesome. Well, chat, unless that's everything, we are going to say goodnight tonight. So, Mislav, thank you so much for joining me. It was a pleasure having you on. We've got to get you back again soon for perhaps a recreation of the tea scenario.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm always up for a tea with a touch of blood.
I was just saying of an axe in the chat there. Hopefully she doesn't use the axe. I think she just knocked us out, to be fair. So, yeah. There was no axe and no actual weapons used. The knife is dropped in the fruit box over there as well. So you can sort of see it was almost used. Last time I got stabbed on a desert island. This time I didn't. I just got punched in the face. So perhaps we're going to create a running trend here with our AI People streams. But thank you very much, everyone, for joining us tonight in a short little stream. We'll be back in 2 weeks' time with more AI People news. You do not want to miss the next stream. It's going to be very, very cool. And we're going to take your suggestions as well. If you've not joined our Discord server, definitely come and join. We're actually asking for your suggestions on scenarios ahead of streams. So if you've got a weird, wonderful, and crazy idea, do come and suggest one, as it will really, really help myself and the development team up. Thank you for everyone tuning as well. We're really happy to show you the current development state of the game, and we can't wait to give you some more updates in the current future as well. Once again, it's a good night for myself and Mislav. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you all very, very soon. Goodbye.